Hi, I'm Kevin Wenzel. I'm Technical Marketing Manager for HP's consumer PCs. Windows 8 is the newest version of Microsoft's Windows. And the thing that immediately jumps out at you is the new Windows user interface, which is optimized for touch. When you start up your computer, the first thing you're going to see is the lock screen. And the lock screen actually shows you a bunch of useful information. It shows you your calendar appointments, it shows you your email status, it can even show you your weather. And to actually get started, just flick on that screen, type in your password, and go. The Windows UI shows a series of tiles, some of which are active. For example, you may see a slideshow of pictures in the photo tile, or your current weather in the weather tile. And often there are more tiles than you have room on the display. And in that case, just use your finger and flick back and forth to show you more of the tiles. To start an application in Windows 8, just touch the tile and you'll start up the application. It'll come up full screen and you're ready to interact with it. With Windows 8, the edges are very important when you're using the touch user interface. The right-hand edge, if you flick on that, will show you the Charms menu. That Charms menu is a set of icons that do important tasks. Search, share, the start screen, devices, and settings. The left-hand side controls your running applications. By flicking in from the left, you can see the applications you've got running. Choose one of them to bring it up full screen. When you've got an application running, flicking down from the top brings you additional commands like back or save or things like that. And flicking up from the bottom can also give you additional options. For example, from the Windows UI, you can get an All Applications that shows not only your main applications, but a whole variety of others, including things like Control Panel. Yeah, so much of what you'd normally do in Windows, you can do right from touch. So I can touch the Photo app to bring up an application that shows me all my photos. With that list of photos there, I can just flick back and forth to see more of the photos. Touch one to bring it up on the screen. I can even use my fingers to zoom in on the photo. And if I decide that I want to email this photo to a friend, I just flick from the side, touch the share icon, and I can email it off to a friend of mine. People who've been using Windows for a long time sometimes wonder, well, is the desktop gone? Well, fortunately, that familiar desktop is still available to you. Just touch the desktop icon or launch an application that runs in desktop mode from the Windows UI, and you'll be taken to your familiar desktop. Once you're there, you can use your mouse, you can use your keyboard, you can maneuver, you can run more applications, even use the File Explorer to explore what's on your hard drive. And when I'm done with it, I can just flick over to another application or go back to start. To put your computer to sleep or shut it down, there are a couple things you could do. One is just touch your power button and that'll put your machine to sleep. Or if you need to shut down, swipe in from the right, press the settings charm, and you'll notice a power options. Click on power options or touch power options, and there you can shut down, sleep, anything like that. So enjoy Windows 8 and explore.